Lay, call my name, official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, is that Wukong?
I woke up running from my past.
Oh, he turned into Wukong?
A broken crow on my neck. I walk these streets like a ghost tonight. Still breathing thin my
I got that right. It's Wukong, right? Or Son Goku? Call my name. Is that bounces on his chest or it's like scarring? Oh, he's shaving it off? Ow! Oh. Oh. Lay! Fuck. Holy shit, what's happening?
I'm gonna do everything I can. Nobody knows they don't.
Oh my god.
Whatever it is that we have, I know I almost disappear.
Oh, they stepped on the flowers? Why? Why they... Oh my god. Why they bullying him? Don't they know that's Lay? Oh shit, what the fuck's happening? Oh, he transforming. It's Wukong. Son Wukong. Oh shit. Oh, they done fucked up. What the hell? Oh, god damn. Oh, he passed out.
In the silence, you say my name when they wouldn't know.
I swear these idols be having movies instead of MVs now.
If I burn down to ashes,
Lay, call my name. He can't control it?
Call me what I call myself.
Whoa. Damn, what the fuck? Lay be putting out movies though, real talk. We just got nothing. We just got credits. Damn, shout out to everybody that worked on this though. Lay, call my name. Holy shit. When he started turning, it did look like a little bit of a Marvel movie, no? Interesting. It looked like a 2017 Marvel movie.
No man is an island. I learned that in the silence. You say my name when they wouldn't know. To my name feel like a sentence. If I burn down to ashes.
Have you played Black Myth Wukong? No, I haven't actually. I feel like I'd be so mad. And then
Call me what I call myself.
god damn. Okay, Lay. Okay, visual effects team. Let's go. Pop off with that one. Hey, call his name. Hey, when you see him, call his... I got to see him live too. I did be calling his name. Yeah.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.